The MDR1 gene, also known as the multi-drug sensitivity gene, was originally found in dogs in 2001, but has since been discovered in cats by WSU Regents professor Katrina Maley.
We looked at the same gene, and we sequenced that gene there was an affected litter, so some of the cats in the litter developed toxicity at the same dose, and other cats didn't.
This MDR1 gene can cause cats and dogs to have adverse reactions such as tremors, blindness, lack of muscle control, or even death to common medicines used in things such as spaying and neutering or chemotherapy. After Maley and her team discovered the MDR1 gene in dogs, the Veterinary Poison Center began to experience cats facing problems after receiving certain medications.
And we discovered a mutation in the cats that developed the toxicity that wasn't there in the cats that did not develop the neurologic toxicity.
The gene has only been discovered in about 4% of cats, but it appears to be widespread after one of Maley's colleagues in Germany found the mutation in a cat there. Even though this gene is in about 4% of cats, Maley hasn't yet found any specific breeds that this impacts. This is unlike in dogs, where they were able to identify the gene most frequently found in herding breeds. Because this mutation isn't specified to a single breed, Maley recommends that all cats get tested. You have two options. You can pack them up and bring them into the vet for a quick blood draw, or you can just simply do a little at-home cheek swab. All that's needed for the test is a bit of DNA. After the DNA is collected through either a blood draw or cheek swab, those results are sent in, tested, and pet owners get emailed their results. The test through WSU is $60, and Maley said it's very important to get your pet tested sooner rather than later because there are so many drugs that could trigger this gene.
So we say, test your dog or cat before it's an emergency, right? So that you know what dose of chemo to give them, or you know what drugs not to give them.
Reporting in Pullman, I'm Jackie Smith, Murrow News 8.